So tell us a little bit more about the role at Thames Water that you're doing. So if you can dig into kind of the actual, you know, what you actually do for them, what the sort of technical skills that you do working with Thames Water.
Oh, okay. So I work in the THP department within Thames Water. My aim is to just basically ensure that, because it's a plant and it's a process plant, I have to ensure that each part of the process is basically running the way it should be. So me, along with my mentor, would go around the site and make sure that everything is running as it should be. And if it's not, would basically do some fault finding, fault diagnostics, and see if we can basically solve what the issue is at that point. And if not, we refer it to our manager and we take it from there.
And is that hands-on, you know, taking a panel apart and looking at, you know, electrical fault finding and mechanical fault finding, taking a pump apart? What sort of thing? What would an average job look like for you?
Okay, let's say if it's to do with an issue with a pump, for example, you'd try and figure out what part of the pump it is, because with a pump, you'd probably have the motor section, the gearbox, and the pumping section itself. And so if it's, for example, an issue within the pumping or the motor section, it could possibly be an issue that we can sort out there, because in terms of parts and dismantling things, it would be a lot of an easier process. But if it, for example, goes to the gearbox, you're going to look at having to deal with things of buying new seals, and that's where it gets a bit more expensive and a bit more complicated. And yeah.
Okay. And so when you started your apprenticeship, you didn't have any of this knowledge?
No, none at all.
And now you're going around trying to fault find and sort pumps out and things like that.
Exactly that. Even I'm surprised.
Oh no, I was about to say, did you 4 years ago? Did you think 4 years ago you'd be able to sit here and say, you know, I'm moving around a plant site and fixing all these things?
4 years ago, I wouldn't have thought, if I'm being honest with you. But yeah, we're here now, isn't it?
Absolutely.